fix USB-C displays not detected on Windows 11, and if your external monitor won't show up. Let me ask you, are you connecting a USB-C display and Windows fails to detect it? This problem usually happens because drivers are outdated, cables or ports are incompatible, or display settings are misconfigured. Sometimes recent Windows updates or background apps also block detection. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky driver reinstalls, complicated registry tweaks, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't solve the problem. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of randomly changing settings, we fix the exact driver, port, and display path that causes Windows to not detect USB-C monitors. This works because it restores proper communication between your PC and external display. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, your monitor is detected normally, screen extends or mirrors correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple Windows 11 PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If USB-C displays not detecting is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below and I will guide you completely.